Hi everyone, welcome back to Gibs Brush Art, where we make drawing and colouring super fun. Today we're going to draw and colour an awesome piranha fish. We'll be using grey for the body, blue for the fins, and yellow for its sharp teeth.
Gibs Brush Art.
So grab your sketch and colours, and let's get started. First, we'll start by drawing the shape of the piranha fish's body. Let's make it nice and round in the middle, with a pointy tail at the end. You can make your piranha fish any size you want. Next, let's add the fins. We'll give the fish 2 fins on the sides, a big fin on top and another one at the bottom. Don't forget the tail fin at the back. Fins help the fish swim through the water. Now, let's draw a big eye so our piranha fish can see. And don't forget the mouth with those fun, sharp teeth. We'll make the teeth yellow later. Okay, time for the fun part, colouring. First, let's colour the body of the fish grey. Make sure to cover the whole body, leaving the fins and teeth for later. Next, let's take our blue colour and fill in the fins. It's looking great already, right? Finally, let's colour the teeth yellow to give our fish a really unique look. Yellow teeth. Who knew piranha fish could be so cool? We're almost done. Let's add any last details you like. Maybe some bubbles around the piranha fish or some plants in the water. And there you have it. Our piranha fish is all done, looking awesome with its grey body, blue fins and bright yellow teeth. Great job, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to Gibs Brush Art for more fun drawing and colouring videos. See you next time.